I think there was something else there.
Didn't predict that.
Right over here. You disrespectful white African albino nigga.
Salty fresh air. Oh my God. There's like the hottest girl sitting out there right now. And you'll understand.
I don't understand.
Oh, I could not do that out there by her. Sorry. Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, no, I didn't want to do it by her though. Oh, I'm going to try to get her phone number. Sorry. Too.
I'm sorry.
Me too.
Oh, what, the hip things?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yours looks worse than
Oh,
mine.
mine's brutal.
And I'm not doing oh,
Oh, yep, there it goes. Oh, I'm walking fine now.
Je n'ai pas le parler français, monsieur.
Oh my God! What? High five. No. Dick.
You guys all ultimate jet. I feel like this is like a jester. It's like a king's court. This is this guy.
Yeah, like, oh, that's kind of cool.
Sound like you need to go take a shit.
Are you fighting crime right now, or are you a villain?
I'm fighting a stomach bug, really.
Okay, I'm gonna slowly walk. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey, you looking to become a single mom?
No.
No? Oh. Jersey Mike's, huh?
Yes, sir.
Well, see you later. Oh. High five. Yeah, I had an incredible spoonging accident. It's kind of like spelunking, but not at all. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, pull a finger. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God, no. Oh my God.
We just wanted to hang some.
It's just like, and you sold that shit for like.
There's a bunch of, like, there's like a fried area right over here, too.
Oh, release the demon!
Sir, may you be coming because I can't clean it up.
Oh my God, do you have like any napkins or a dude wipe or something? Oh my God, no!
I have paper towel.
It's alright, you're at a Madrid.
we definitely got a date on that. She's like 3'4". She's wearing one of her shirts. She's a professional wrestler.
Oh, dear.
So she's wearing one of her
Wow,
shirts.
she's,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
we see her.
Yeah,
So
she kind of looks like The Rock, but with long hair.
Okay, so
I think it might be like one of his third cousins.
Because I'm just leaving and going out. Would
Okay.
I tell her to? Where are you going to meet her? Right in this court?
Yeah, I'll be right.
Yeah.
Ugh.
All right. What was that?
One lady just farted. Oh my god. Oh, I think it was that one. She might have pooped herself. Yeah, so she's like 3'4". Oh, ow. Selfie time. No.
Ew, those burritos.
They're good. Breakfast burritos.
That was good, dude. Damn.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. They're like, what the fuck are we doing?
Come on, bro.
Oh, the Adelita, dude. They had a 2-for-1 last night.
Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do.
The one was a 10, but the other one was like a 4, so it kind of averaged out.
Hey, man.
I'm out of here. My birthday Monday.
Monday? Okay, I got you.
Wednesday?
Oh no. I'm having contractions. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh, I'm having contractions.
Wait, are you having like pregnancy contractions?
Oh,
Are you getting ambulance?
oh, I'm giving birth to a brown baby boy. Oh my god, no.
You're definitely kidding, right?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Oh.
Should I call 911?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you have a napkin or a paper towel or a mop? Oh my gosh. It just came out everywhere. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. No. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have to ask you if there's any mess in there. I'm gonna have to ask you. Like I can grab
To do
you
what?
some- clean it up. I can grab you some paper towels and some cleaner, but I can't make my girls clean.
Oh, there. It looks like a murder scene. Oh my god. Can I get like the wet floor? Oh my god. Where's the bathroom at?
It's right back there, sir.
Oh my god.
See where it says pick up?
Yes. Oh.
The man just took the nastiest shit in that middle stall.
Who?
That man.
He needs to clean up then.
I told him the same thing. He's going to the bathroom, so I need y'all to make him. I'm not gonna make my girls clean it up. Like even the customer that was in the next stall, it's so disgusting right now.
Was it an
I
accident?
don't know. I don't know. All I know is it was so loud I could hear it from over here.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. He's going to the bathroom right now. I have both of my management calling. I'm not making that up. I'm not making anything that up. I don't get it. I'm sorry. Like, do you have a key? Do you have a key? I need my key. Call Norma. Can you go get that key from her? Get away from that thing. Get away from that thing. Norma's going to get my key.
You alright? Yeah.
Why did you do me a favor, man? I can't have my associates clean that up.
What happened?
I can't have my associates clean that up.
Okay.
So, I mean, I have the maintenance card here. I mean, sprays and fucking sprays, bags. You need gloves. I mean, there's gloves here too. But I can't have my associates clean it out there. I'll roll it over there for you.
Do I clock in or?
Do you clock in?
Yeah.
No.